torrential rains that hit the state of Santa Catarina in southern Brazil on Tuesday. The heavy rain that has hit Santa Catarina for at least 3 days has caused damage to Praia central de Balneário Camboriú on the north coast. Storm opens crater and destroys Rua de Macaé in the north of Rio de Janeiro. A street in the Morro São Jorge neighborhood in Macaé, in the state of Rio de Janeiro, was destroyed by a large crack that opened after a storm on Tuesday. According to the City Hall's advisory, the street is undergoing river drainage works and gave in due to the strength of the rains that began during the early hours of the morning. The Adjunct Secretary of Civil Defense of Macaé reported that the municipality is in a state of alert. In the last 12 hours, 128 millimeters of rain were recorded. Balneário Camboriú recorded an accumulated rainfall of 168.2 millimeters in the last 24 hours and has points available for collecting groceries, clothes, bedding, towels and personal hygiene and cleaning products in the shelters in operation. At the moment, 32 people have been accommodated in both shelters. Camboriú declared an emergency situation due to the heavy rains that hit the city since last Monday, 19, causing floods and landslides. In the decision, the municipality emphasizes the mobilization of all security agencies and the call for volunteers to help those affected. The main streets of the city are flooded, and the civil defense is constantly working to assist the most affected families. So far, the accumulated rainfall in the city is 264.25 millimeters. The civil defense predicts that the persistent rain will continue in Santa Catarina until the morning of this Wednesday, 21. There is a risk of landslides and flooding.